What's up, pageant patrons? This is Isaac, and recently, literally just a while ago, I just learned about a new term, and everybody's talking about it right now, and it is called El Tocuyo. At first, I had no clue what that was until I started trying, reading some comments, and I asked my Filipino brother, like, what is all of this? Well, apparently, El Tocuyo is actually a town in Venezuela. Didn't make sense to me. But here it is in the context of pageants, and this is mainly for the people that watch my channel that are not Filipino, or maybe you're not familiar with a lot of what goes on in beauty pageants. In 2016, Miss Venezuela was, she was, a favorite to win that, y'all. She was favored to go far in the Miss Universe pageant. But apparently her attitude was just not right with the other contestants. And literally, I guess she just pissed everybody off. And so what happened was she didn't even make it to the semifinals. And she was from El Tocuyo, Venezuela. So now I get it. So now the term is, I like my notes. So now the term is used. So El Tocuyo is used for a front runner, and with a great sash factor. Let's just say Venezuela, Colombia, Puerto Rico, and the Philippines. So just as an example, so they have a huge sash factor, but they don't make it into the semifinals. So in other words, whatever they did, their performance, for whatever reason, they don't go further in the pageant. That's El Tocuyo. Some people are trying to say that Michelle Dee is El Tocuyo because she's from the Philippines. She has a huge sash factor, but they don't believe that she is going to make it into the semifinals. There is a bit of a difference, though. Here's the big difference for me. Whereas in 2016, Miss Venezuela's attitude stopped her from going forward, I would say if you watch Michelle Dee, watch how she interacts with anyone that questions her, all of the vloggers. And if they say, and anytime somebody says, hey, Miss Philippines, or hey, Michelle, or Ate Michelle, Ate means big sister. So anytime you hear that and she waves at them, one, she acknowledges them. That's one. Two, I know that y'all saw the video with Antonio Porcel. So, and just that video alone, and if you watch how she interacts with the other candidates, that right there by itself, and well, I didn't even think about this, but she has won the Voice for Change. Her video was #1. So that means that her advocacy is strong. So that's one. Two, I just mentioned it, how she is treating literally everyone else. She is being very gracious and very, even if she's in a hurry, she still tries to acknowledge them, maybe with a little wave or something like that, which is kind of tough to do when they're rushing everybody, herding everybody to the next event, the next thing that they have to do. And then if you look at her styling, and her styling, she's naturally tall. I think she's like 5'10". She has long legs, and they're really capitalizing on that. Now, let me just go to the one thing that they're saying is, and I've even said it myself, Michelle Dee has most of the winners. Most of the winners of Miss Universe, they have more European features, and it is obvious that Michelle Dee has more Asian features, and so they're saying that might be a drawback. But that's going to be very subjective. Why? Because if Miss Universe, if they're looking for advocacy and the other things, and you can go watch my other videos about that. I've already explained how I feel about that. But just because of the look, that's going to be very subjective. So that's my opinion on that whole term El Tocuyo. And so if you have any more questions, hit me in the comments, let me know, and I'll try to find out and answer for you. So, but anyway, I need you to make sure that you vote. I need you to make sure to vote. Let me say pan in, vote. All right, let's get that that bayanihan factor, and then let's just go ahead and vote. Those of you that are not Filipino, just vote anyway. Vote for your favorite candidate. All right, y'all already know, and I've already voted. And I just did a short, so you can watch that and watch me vote again. If you don't know how to vote, watch that video as well. Okay, alrighty. So this is Isaac signing off. Peace out.